Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Here is our delicious chicken and bechamel sauce filled pastry recipe. For the filling, combine 1 cooked and shredded chicken breast with bechamel sauce, salt and pepper. For the bechamel sauce recipe, you can click the link on the screen. Place one of the round phyllo pastry on the kitchen counter and brush half of the pastry with a mixture of 150 ml of fresh milk and 75 ml of vegetable oil. Fold the other half over the wet half and brush with the mixture on top. Cut the semicircle into 6 pieces. Put about 1 tablespoon filling on the long edge of the pieces, fold the ends inwards and roll. Using these ingredients, we get 12 pieces of pastry. Dip the rolls into the remaining milk oil mixture, then coat with breadcrumbs and place them on a parchment-lined ovenware. Bake at 190 degrees until golden brown. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!